Milwaukee and Makita are both dominating the power tools industry from the front line. Since both brands put a lot of time and effort into their tools, it's obvious that there will be a conflict when you choose between them. In the competition to be the greatest disruptor, both Milwaukee and Makita strive to meet professionals' demands with premium features. In this video, we've picked up two cordless chainsaws from these two undisputed winners. We're going to talk about each saw's pros and how they elevate your outdoor projects with topmost performance. And of course, which one is worth your bucks. So let's see a detailed comparison between the Milwaukee M18 2727-21HD and Makita XCU06. Design and size. At first, let's put some light on the size and design of each chainsaw. Here you can see the Milwaukee 2727-21HD comes with a 16-inch Oregon bar and chain that offers great performance, durability, and meets all the ergonomic needs of professional landscape maintenance. On the other hand, the 10-inch Makita XCU06 has a compact top handle design which takes considerably less maintenance and is a welcome solution for professional tree care like pruning, trimming, or limbing. So, despite having differences in size, both chainsaws offer individual benefits for your variety of projects. Motor and output. The next thing is the motor they boast and the output they deliver. The Milwaukee Chainsaw equips a power state brushless motor that perfectly balances the speed under heavy loads without bogging down, offering the power and performance of a gas engine up to 40 cc. Alternately, the Makita XCU06 features an outer rotor brushless motor with a direct drive system that ensures power equivalent to a 22 cc gas chainsaw. So, Milwaukee wins the battle here. Battery and runtime. When it comes to battery and runtime, have you ever compromised? If not, then let's see what they've got for us. The 2727-21HD packs an M18 Red Lithium HD 12.0 battery that delivers unmatched power to cut hardwoods and allows you to make around 150 cuts on a single charge. At the same time, the XCU06 runs on an 18-volt LXT 5.0 amp-hour battery that lets you get up to 175 cuts per charge. It also flawlessly supports the torque boost mode for cutting dense material. According to the cuts per charge, no wonder the Makita XCU06 chainsaw has stolen the crown here. Additional features. Additional features maintain versatility to every tool and allow you to perform the highest. This is why these prominent brands didn't skip adding some beneficial specs to their chainsaws. Like the Milwaukee 2727-21HD comes with a variable speed trigger for full control, dual stud to improve bar and chain retention, and an onboard storage option for scrunch. Aside from the Milwaukee, the Makita XCU06 also features automatic chain lubrication, extreme protection technology. So in terms of versatility and additional features, we can't say anyone's name as both chainsaws are on the same track. Availability. Both the Milwaukee and Makita brand has their official stores, and you'll get all of their tools available there. Although there are plenty of prominent sellers who provide authentic products too. Want one of the chainsaws? Just place an order. Verdict. According to all the features and efficiencies, we can say both Milwaukee 2727-21HD and Makita XCU06 come with nearly similar power and capacities. However, the preference can vary among pros and enthusiasts depending on their specific requirements. No wonder both chainsaws are beneficial and will perform perfectly on the cutting field. So, that was today's video on the Milwaukee vs. Makita Chainsaw. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. And make sure to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.